This is what 4 feet of snow looks like in the front yard. It's just white everywhere. Let's go look at the driveway. This was the path. It was already shoveled twice. Mounds of snow up past the windows. Here's the driveway. Was already, you can see the sides of the driveway. There's already, I don't know, probably about a foot we've already gotten, and we're supposed to get a foot more on top of the 2 feet that we got 5 days ago. There's the tree falling down. There's the doggy. Come on, doggy. Go run in the snow. Go. Not the snowman arm. Not the snowman scarf either. No.